Oh no, so dark. Hi kids, I'm going to post a slime video tomorrow. So yeah, I will promise that I'm going to make a slime video tomorrow. I'm I'm I will not make sure that it's fluffy slime or the original slime, but another color, but it's glitter slime. Wait. It's glitter slime or fluffy slime. I will And my mom will buy the ingredients. I don't know what she will buy. Uh, Shaving foam or shaving cream. If she will not buy shaving foam or shaving cream, I will make glitter slime. Yeah. So yeah. Bye bye. As you know, there is a white in my face. That's because I have a pain injury. My like this tall, like that tall.
I was wounded.
I was wounded here. Yeah, and it's so very tall here, like here to there. Yeah, you don't know how well I cried. So yeah, and check out Angel. Yeah, you search there at the YouTube and check out my classmates' YouTube. The name is Angel Clock Torres and Yorka Inventor. And subscribe to their channel and subscribe to my channel. Yeah. And my mom said that she's going to buy a liquid detergent, or she will buy, I think, a liquid detergent, or no, if she will not buy shaving cream or shaving foam, I will make a glitter. What's that? Glitter slime. Yeah, glitter slime. And yeah, shout out to Angel Cloth and Yarka. Friend.